In this example, we're going to show you how to tile a screen. This has nothing to do with Python per se, but it is an interesting use of ArcGIS Pro so that we can actually be writing a script in one window and working on that script and also looking at the map on another window. So right now you're seeing that I have three different windows available to me. I have the map window, which is what we're observing right now, which is buffering around a set of points, and those points are cemeteries, and these are 1 mile buffers. We have a notebook window, which is what was ran to create the buffer that you just saw on the previous map. And we have a layout window. And we can work with each one of these windows independently. For example, if I want to put a north arrow onto my map, I can just come in here and put a north arrow onto my map. So I can be working in any one of these tabs, but it'd be nice to be able to see what was in all three tabs at the same time. So I'm going to take my layout, and I am going to click on it and hold, and I'm going to drag it to the right side of the screen. And so now what you're seeing is my layout window that I can work on independently of my buffer mapping window here. If I want to add my notebook, I can take my notebook and let's put it at the bottom of the screen on which we can see the outcome. So here is my notebook. I can run it. I can select whatever I want to do. I can work it with my notebook just like I was working with it in any other example. Here we have a results map that we can be looking at, and here we have a final layout that we could be working with. And depending on which is the active frame, we can work with any one of these. So if I click on this one and I make this my active one, notice the content window has changed, and we can come in here and we can put our legend, and let's just draw our legend right there, and there is our legend for that map. So we can tile our different windows. Now you want to be careful not to tile too many windows, but then you lose resolution and can't see what's really going on. But this is how you tile windows in ArcGIS Pro, which is useful for both what we do in Python, but useful just in working in ArcGIS Pro.